Hi, welcome to Richard's Reviews. Recently picked up the Street Fighter 30th anniversary, I think, for the Xbox One X, and Xbox is actually horrible with their D-pad street fighting games, and the analog is not easy to use. I'd say, arcade sticks are an option. I did have one or two, but just in the sense that I just wanted to sit down and just kind of play it without having to carry out a big giant stick. I found this online. It's the Hyperkin. Recently, I've been purchasing a couple items here and there from Hyperkin, like the RetroNet NES and the additional controller. I put a video up, and so this looked like a pretty good controller to play it for like Street Fighter with. So we'll see how it looks. But in this sense, right now, it says 90s style controller. It's called the X91. I've already cut the tape. Let's pop it open. Let's see, we get the quick start guide. It says, thank you for da-da-da. Yeah, I guess it has a breakaway cable, like all the. Price for this one, you know what? Actually, it's on the pricier side. For a wired controller, usually I don't want to spend more than $20. This one ended up being $30, but considering I didn't notice anybody else making it, I kind of went for it. Not to say wired controller. I'm just saying the quality of this controller is much better actually than the other ones I bought. I bought in $10 to $15 ones, but those are like when they first came out, they didn't even have the head jack plug on it. So this one is actually fairly well packaged, actually. It looks like it actually is an Xbox product. They do a really good job of like mimicking an Xbox product. So it comes with the breakaway. The fake one actually doesn't have this. I'll tell you that now. Not the fake one, but like the cheaper one I bought doesn't come with that. It's nicely covered. Looks just like an Xbox controller. Like the way Xbox would do it. It says for Xbox, but they did a really good job putting it together. Okay, these things are over tight in this one. Use cheap. This is the only part they went cheap on apparently, because this is like really junky. There we go. Okay, it's a good sizable length cable. Not sure if it tells you how long it is, but it's contoured US cable. Doesn't say anything else. It does come with the 3.5mm jack built in. Cool. That was the one thing. Button feels, the right trigger is pretty firm. This clicky feels pretty good so far. Let's see. Yeah, this is kind of, see if this is usable. I guess I could turn on the Xbox right now. So give me a second here as I move around. The camera's gonna start shaking. Let's see. Pull out the game we got here. Ah. You always wonder why it does that. It has to preload things. Okay. There we go. Put in Street Fighter. Okay, gotta power up the TV. Put this cable in. Where'd it go? Where we go here? There's one on the front. There we go. Oh. There we go. Okay. Now we're plugged in. I don't know if we have to do any settings. It's been a while. So not bad so far. Simplistic. I like the compactness. It's pretty good contoured. My hand's actually, I would say, a little larger than average. Well, whatever. But that way, looking at this controller, you see that it's holds up that way. So, okay, here we go. There's A. Let me go find a stand real quick. See if I can grab a stand. There we go. Okay. You see? No, not a very good stand. Ah! that's not gonna work. Yeah, I'm gonna lean it on me. Hopefully you can still see. Okay, it's in it. Sorry, I like playing Street Fighter 2. I gotta set controls. Can't do it. Now my controls are all messed up. Dang it. Okay, let's just try it out like that. Now I can't duck. Oh my gosh, really? Down is down. Why is it not working? Well, I could say it's easier. It's not there. Maybe the control needs to be broken in. The current D-pad is what I'm looking for here, and it's working pretty good. It just, when I was holding down, I guess maybe because I was trying to balance the camera, just really hard to do. All the buttons feel pretty good. This is a bit tricky to use. Maybe I'll use the triggers instead to program it in, but it does take a little bit of setting. So as you can see, here's the light where the Xbox light is. Here's the home. It looks pretty much stock. There's just, it has an okay feel. I don't know if my hand's going to cramp up from using it. It's kind of small on one hand. But like I said, I liked it being compact though. Okay, thank you.